When you come to Osaka, one of the must-try treats is takoyaki. Like a savory popover with a tasty center of octopus, takoyaki combines salty and umami flavors, sumptuous batter, and the chew of fresh seafood. But that doesn't mean it's an easy must-like snack for kids getting the hang of Japanese food. During our month in Osaka, we not only found amazing takoyaki spots, we figured out 3 simple alternative versions that got our kids hungry for takoyaki, and one was a huge surprise. We are the learners and makers. Traveling the world full-time since 2022, our world schooling family empowers families and people with mobility disabilities to travel confidently their way.
No, it is not taco night, it is takoyaki night. We're actually not having octopus, which is what you typically would have. Gotta train these two up a little more for that, but we're going to do a little variation on a theme of takoyaki. We're going to make takoyaki, which are these kind of like little popovers, filled popovers with, some are going to have shrimp, some are going to have mushroom, and some are going to have cheese. Traditional? No. Fun? Yes. And Jody is in charge of the batter.
Whisking without a whisk. And it looks thin, so hopefully it's good. There's a lot of water for not a whole lot of flour. And then 1 egg. Well, and I say flour, but it was like a mix. It's like Bisquick takoyaki mix.
Taquick.
Taquick.
Connor is slicing up cucumber to make us some quickles, some quick pickles. The cheese has been dubbed.
Yes! It's delectable!
Oishi, oishi!
Oishi, oishi!
And Connor is taking the caps off these little mushrooms.
I'm doing it meticulously.
Mushrooms.
And apparently we stopped by the mushroom island on the way back.
A little counterintuitive. You kind of poke down into it and it will flip it if it's nice and crispy. If it's not crispy, it just turns it to goo, but you can go like that. Homemade takoyaki. And we're gonna put, we got mayonnaise, nori powder, bonito flakes, so all the good stuff.
Got the works.
Yeah, we got the works.
First batch with the shrimp is about to start coming out.
Yeah,
Nice and
starting
brown.
to look ready.
Starting to get the hang of it. Jody's figuring out her technique.
Mm-hmm. Definitely a little bit of a technique to it.
Mm-hmm. Of course, as with any wonderful food, it's also all about the condiments. So we have powdered nori. And we have bonito flakes. Over here on the table already, we also have some
Kindles!
takoyaki sauce.
And takoyaki sauce!
We'll have to get another.
Yeah! The takoyaki sauce!
Let's see how they are.
Connor says yes, yes, yes.
Munchkin approved. Master, what say you?
Good.
Woohoo!
Ooh, yeah.
Get a little wavery bonito flake. Okay. think that was one last shrimp one. Let's try this one.
Melted and delicious.
The cheese is all melted and delicious. There we go. Oh my gosh.
Just that
I can't wait for you to try this.
Me neither.
Oh, that is good. Cheese takoyaki.
Good.
Good. Making our last batch of takoyaki in Osaka. And I think I've gotten pretty good at flipping it. Oh, of course, this one is not going to go because we're filming. Bad takoyaki, bad takoyaki. That was not how to do it. Should
As
look
in
like that.
disobedient, not tasting bad.
Yeah, it'll taste fine. This won't be as beautifully round as some of the others.
I think Osaka will still have us back someday.
I hope so. I think we all are in agreement that we would like to come back to Osaka someday.
Mm-hmm.
Flip. Beautiful little round. This one we're doing, it's not takoyaki technically. This is shrimp and cheese. Kind of doing what the kids would really like and we also really like.
Our shrimp, cheese, and mushroom versions were a hit for our family. We thought we grown-ups would get the mushroom-o-yaki all to ourselves, but we were wrong. The kids wound up loving all three types. Turns out takoyaki can be a gateway treat to both octopus and mushrooms. Takoyaki night was just the beginning, because takoyaki, like Osaka, has become a family favorite. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you next time.
It's still recording.
GoPro, turn off.
It's not listening to you.
Sometimes it does that.